Hello children, in this session, let us continue chapter 4 practical geometry exercise number 4.2. Question number 2 quadrilateral gold. OL is equal to 7.5 cm, GL is equal to 6 cm, GD is equal to 6 cm, LD is equal to 5 cm, OD is equal to 10 cm. Here we have got 5 measurements, and here in this question also we have got 3 sides and 2 diagonals. So we have to construct the quadrilateral as we did in the last class. Okay children, here we can understand whether it is side or diagonal. See the name here. OL, first given OL. OL, these two letters are continuous, so it is the side. GL, GL, they are not continuous, so it is the diagonal. That way we can find out. When we draw the rough sketch, we can very clearly identify side and diagonal. Okay, before you should know how to draw the rough sketch, reading the sides and diagonal. When we have sides and diagonal, we are constructing rough sketch like this. Okay, and we first made a quadrilateral. Any shape you give in the rough sketch, no need to take the measurement and dot, and give the name GOLD. You can give here, I have given in the clockwise. If you want, you can give in the anti-clockwise also, GOLD, that way. So construction will depend upon your rough sketch. Okay children, so and now see the figure. Here we have got two triangles, GOL and GDL, and in which case we have got the 3 sides. Here GL, you know, it is 6 cm, 5 cm, 6 cm. So first we are constructing the bottom triangle. After that we construct the upper triangle. Okay, now the steps of construction and how we are doing construction in the next slide. Okay, here for the pictures to see very clearly, I have given the pictures here. Okay children.
Children, now let us construct the quadrilateral. Okay, and for this we have to see the rough diagram, and in the rough diagram see which triangle we have all the sides given here. Here in this quadrilateral we have 2 triangles, upper triangle and the downside triangle, and in the downside triangle we have all the 3 sides, GD, LD and GL. Since the diagonal it is also given 6 cm. Okay, so this bottom side triangle we have all the 3 sides. Okay, so let us construct that triangle first. For this, first we are going to draw GL of length 6 cm. Okay, so take the scale and then mark one point first, and it is G, and then GL is 6 cm. So we have to draw up to 6. From 0 to 6 we have to draw. Okay, so we are drawing GL and give the name G and L. It is 6 cm. Now children, we have to draw GD having length 6 cm. For this you have to use the compass and scale, and in this take 6 cm from 0 start and 6 cm. Okay, this is 6 cm, and now we have to draw the arc and keep the compass point at G, then draw the arc. Okay, we have drawn the arc. Now we have to construct line segment LD, and its length is 5 cm. So again using scale and compass, take 5 cm correctly, and then this is 5 cm, and draw the arc from the point L. Okay, so L we have to draw the arc. Okay children. Now here the first arc is not having enough length, so we have to lengthen the arc. Okay, And now the point of intersection, you take the point of intersection as D, okay, and mark the letter D. Now join the line segment. The points G and D we have to join. G and D joined. Now the points L and D also we have to join. Okay, children? So we have got the bottom triangle. Now children, we have to do the upper triangle here. So for this, here we have the diagonal OD having 10 centimeter length. So we have to draw the arc first, having length 10 centimeter. So in the scale we have to take that much measurement from 0 to 10. Okay, this is 10 centimeter length. So from the point D, draw the arc. 10 centimeter arc we have drawn. And again we know the measurement OL is equal to 7.5 centimeter. So from the point L we have to draw an arc of length 7.5 centimeter. So first let us take the measurement 7.5 centimeter. So 7.5 centimeter taken from the point L. Now we have to draw the arc of 7.5 centimeter from L. So children, draw the arc. Okay. So the point of intersection we get here and give the point O. The name we have to give as O. Okay. Now we have drawn the arc of 7.5 centimeter and mark the point of intersection as O, and this point of intersection now we have to join with the G. Okay, children? So, and similarly we have to join the points O and L. Okay. So we have constructed the quadrilateral goal, and now we have to join this diagonal. So here point O and D join so that we will get the diagonal, and we have to mark the sides. Here 6 centimeter. See the rough sketch and mark the length 7.5 centimeter, and here it is 10 centimeter. Okay, children? This is the quadrilateral gold. Okay.
Steps of construction. Step number 1. Draw a line segment GL is equal to 6 centimeter. Number 2. With G as center, draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter. Step number 3. With L as center, draw an arc of radius 5 centimeter to intersect the previous arc. Name the point of intersection as D. Step number 4. Draw GD and LD. Step number 5. With D as center, draw an arc of radius 10 centimeter on the side of GL opposite to the point D. Step number 6. With L as center, draw an arc of radius 7.5 centimeter to intersect the previous arc. Name the point of intersection as O. Step number 7. Draw GO and LO. Thus, GOLD God is the required quadrilateral. Okay, children? Exercise 4.2. Here we have to do the third question now. Question number 3. Rhombus bend. BN is equal to 5.6 centimeter. D is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Children, here BN, as I have told in the previous question, see the points B and N, they are not continuous, so it is the diagonal. And DE, here D and E, DE, they are also not continuous vertices, so it is also another diagonal. So in the question we have got two diagonals, and you have already learned we should know measurements of 5 sides. Okay, 5 points measurements we should know, whether it can be of 4 sides or 1 diagonal, or 3 sides and 2 diagonals. Okay, but here we have only 2 diagonals measurement given. So how can we do the construction? So this question is a special type. So here we are not drawing the rough sketch. We can do the construction like this only, and the steps I have explained in the next slide. Okay children, here first we are drawing one diagonal DE, and then we are drawing another diagonal, and the second diagonal is coming as a perpendicular bisector. Okay, here in the case of rhombus, we have already learned the diagonals are bisecting each other at right angles. Here we are getting 90 degree, 90 degree, 90, 90. So we are doing this quadrilateral construction in this way. Okay children?
To construct the rhombus bend, first we have to draw the diagonal DE is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Children, we have to take 6.5 centimeter, and for this mark the point. First one point mark, and from there up to 6.5 centimeter we have to draw. Okay, so now this point give the letter D, and here give the name E. So we have drawn DE of 6.5 centimeter. Okay, now we have to draw the diagonal BN equal to 5.6 centimeter, and for this we have to draw the perpendicular bisector. How to draw the perpendicular bisector? Children, here this line segment we have length 6.5 centimeter, so we have to take more than half of its length. Okay, more than half of its length take and draw an arc upside. Okay, upside draw an arc, and we have to draw downside also. Okay, now from the other point E, again we have to draw arcs with the same distance. Okay, so we have drawn the arcs from the point D and E, and their intersecting point we have to join. Okay, this intersecting points now we have to join, then we will get the perpendicular bisector. Okay, and on this perpendicular bisector our two vertices are coming. They are B and N. Okay, for this where we will come, where N will come. For this diagonal's length 5.6 centimeter, it's a half. We have to find out. It is 2.8. So we have to draw 2.8 arcs. Okay, here we have 0 and 2.8 means 8th small division. 0 and 2 after 8 small division you take 2.8, and from this intersecting point center we have to mark arcs having radius 2.8 centimeter. Bottom side also you mark the arcs. Okay, and now we have to this intersecting point which is upside. This is our point. Which point? B. We have the point B, and this point is N. Okay, mark the name letters. Now we have to join this point B and the point D. Okay, point. So we get one side. Similarly, the point D and point N join, and here we have to join the points E and N. Okay, now one side left, that is B and E. This point E and you have to join. And now okay, so we have got the rhombus bend BEND. Okay children, this point B you can mark upside so that the figure will be neat. Okay, and here the diagonal's length we have to mark now. B to N, the length is 5.6 centimeter. 5.6 centimeter. Okay children. Okay, now the required rhombus BEND is constructed. Okay.
Steps of construction. Okay. Step number 1. Draw the line segment DE equal to 6.5 centimeter. Step number 2. With D as center and radius bottom half of DE, draw arcs on both sides of DE. Step number 3. With E as center and with the same radius, draw arcs on both sides of DE to intersect the previous arcs. Number 4. Join the points of intersection and we get the perpendicular bisector of DE. Number 5. Draw arcs of 2.8 cm on both sides of DE from the midpoint of DE. Step number 6. Name the point of intersection as B at N. Number 7. Join BD, BE, EN at ND. Thus, rhombus bend is constructed. Okay, children?